Eigenman spotted sa Siargao Airport kasama ang kanyang mga anak na sina Lilo at Kowa. Bagong lahat, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para maging updated sa ating mga susunod na video. Isang netizen ang nagbahagi ng video na ito ni Andy kasama ang kanyang dalawang anak na sina Lilo at Kowa. Ngayon ngang usap-usapan ng kanilang paghihiwalayan ni Filmar Alipayo ay kasama niya nga ngayong araw sa airport ang mga bata. Kaya naman hula ng mga netizens ay marahil ay pupunta sa Manila itong si Andy kasama ang kanilang dalawang anak ni Filmar Alipayo. Gayong magkahiwalay na nga ang dalawang ito. Nagbahagi nga rin itong si Andy ng kanyang saloobin sa kanyang Instagram. My why for posting. I am fully aware that my husband never cheated on me with this girl. I am always around when they are together. I posted because this person betrayed me. Encourages my husband to break up with me during every fight, even when I also tell my side of the story to her. She didn't honor my side by choosing to celebrate her and my husband's love for each other, because the day after our fight, she inserted herself in the situation by encouraging him to go for a spontaneous love couple tattoo together. If innocent, why now when he is vulnerable? Why not when we're okay? Or maybe why not when things have calmed down? I reached out to her to get any but of explanation from her from thinking this is a good idea, and she chose to completely ignore me. Yes, I am hurt that my husband didn't think this would bother me. I'm not being dumb and ignoring that, but post was to just show that no normal person with good intentions would think it's okay for a friend to encourage someone else's husband to do this without considering the partner's feelings. Especially after I told her that even if we are in a bad fight, I would always want and choose to be okay with my husband because he is my family. Narito pa nga ang mga sumunod na post ni Andy. When my other friends told me that they told their partners to stay away from her, I should have listened. Sabi nga rin nito, I should have called it out the first time. Me and my husband found it weird that she just gets a huge tattoo on her shin dedicated to him. He who is someone else's husband. And now, I am the bad one. Sabi nga nitong si Andy. Dahil tila mukha pang siya nga ang masama sa kanyang pagbabahagi ng ito sa social media. Kaya naman sabi rin ni Andy, I would never even shared anything at all on here if she only had the nerve to respond to me. At narito pa nga ang iba pang mga post ni Andy. Ibinahagi nga rin niya na nag-chat siya dito kay ChatGPT upang tanungin kung valid ba talaga ang kanyang mga nararamdaman na ito, ang kanyang pagiging suspicious sa kanyang partner's girl best friend dahil nga nagpa-love tattoo ang dalawang ito. Ipinatattoo kasi nitong si Filmar at Pernilla ang numero na 224 na ang ibig sabihin ay today, tomorrow, forever. At karamihan nga ng nagpapatattoo nito ay mga couple lamang dahil parang ang ibig sabihin nito ay hanggang wakas ay sila pa rin ang mamahalin nila ang isa't isa kahit anong mangyari. Pipiliin ng isa't isa today, tomorrow, at forever.